Do not date a girl that does Patreon OnlyFans.
When are you going to start streaming?
So, I don't understand. So they want to perv on you, but they're telling you not to do OnlyFans. Like, make up your fucking mind.
And all the other guys, mate, if you're a guy who will allow other men to jerk off to your missus, get your head scanned.
No, you said no. You don't want to
All
do
right,
OnlyFans.
then.
Don't want to do
I will
OnlyFans.
say
I'm just
no,
saying
then.
that is such a missed opportunity for you. You could have so much in your life, but okay, we'll continue. I'll continue to make £100 a day, and we're scraped by.
But it's too late for that. But yeah, so Shannon.
You haven't done an hour on stream.
Sappy, don't do OnlyFans. They don't know how to tell you to stand up to see your butt. They can't fucking make up their minds, mate. They're bipolar as fuck. That's what we do.
And that's, you know, that sounds like you're guilt tripping, right?
No, I'm not trying to guilt trip
No,
you, but that is fact.
No,
that is
but
fact.
you see how that's manipulative, the way that you just worded that.
How is that manipulative? That is fact. I have to fucking.
Because you're making it sound like scraping by is a bad thing, which...
No, it is a bad thing.
Yes,
Scraping by
but you
sucks.
just-
Scraping by
that is-
sucks dick. It does. It sucks.
That is guilt tripping.
Nigga!